When I took my home loan 20 years ago, the interest rate soared after a few months, leaving me clueless about what to do. Picture this. You've just taken a leap of faith and invested in your dream home. You're feeling triumphant, settling in, and then, bam! The interest rates on your home loan take an unexpected hike. That was my reality 2 decades ago. It's like a sudden storm on a sunny day, isn't it? But as they say, every cloud has a silver lining, and my silver lining was the quest for a solution that this high interest rate dilemma set me on. At first, I was overwhelmed. The options seemed limited. I couldn't fix the interest rate because it had already skyrocketed. The alternative? Make more money. Simple enough, right? But how? That's when I had a light bulb. I was single, had a spare room, and was mostly out of the house for work or socializing. Why not rent out the spare bedroom? It was like having a roommate who helped with the rent. It gave me a house friend, some extra income, and I was still in control of my home. It was like Airbnb before Airbnb was even a thing. This can be a great strategy for all those young homeowners who are strapped for cash. It's a creative solution that helps you ride out the high interest rate wave. But that's a story for another day. While this was a good start, I knew there had to be other alternatives, so I dug deeper. I started to wonder, how can I use my savings to reduce interest without actually spending it? Intriguing, isn't it? That's when I picked up the phone and called my bank. I was introduced to something that would change my financial game forever. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and note all the tips and tricks, and share yours too in the comment section below. And educate your kids for their financial well-being. Even if you already know, it will get you think and act on your existing setup. Ding! I called the bank seeking help, and that's when I discovered the concept of an offset account. An offset account is a special type of savings account where you can stash your funds and use them at your own convenience. However, the real charm of this account is that it doesn't charge any interest on the home loan equivalent to the amount you have in savings. Yes, you heard it right, 0% interest. It is your personal financial cushion where you can keep your hard-earned money and still have it work for you in the background. It's like having your cake and eating it too. But how does this magic happen? Let's hear it. Ding! Let's explain. Let's say you have a home loan of $500,000. Now you also have $100,000 in various savings accounts. The trick here is to consolidate all these funds into your offset account. This account doesn't need to be attached to your cards, giving you the liberty to manage it independently. When the bank calculates the interest, it does so on the net balance of your loan and savings. So it's $500,000 minus $100,000, which equals $400,000. Consequently, you're paying 0 interest on $100,000. This simple shift in strategy can save you $5,000. Quite impressive, isn't it? Ding. Moreover, the amount in your offset account isn't locked. You can use it anytime and top it up whenever you want. Most loan packages these days allow unlimited withdrawals and deposits, just like regular savings accounts. You can even open this account within the bank's app and offset any loan account of your choosing. It's that simple. Ding! With an offset account, I was able to save 0% interest on the loan equivalent to the amount I had in savings. It was a revelation. So the next time you're looking at your savings and wondering how to make them work harder for you, remember the offset account. It could be the financial game changer you've been waiting for. Having an offset account wasn't enough. I needed to maximize its benefits. To truly leverage the power of the offset account, I needed to strategize. I needed to make sure every cent of my money was working as hard as possible. So I started by directing my salary into this account. This might seem like a small change, but let me assure you, it's a game changer. You see, by pouring my earnings into the offset account, I was able to increase the amount offsetting my loan. This, in turn, lowered the interest charged on the loan. So, for every day my salary sat in the offset account, it was putting in work, helping me save on interest. Next, I set up my credit card debit with this account. This strategy allowed me to ensure that every spent dollar was offsetting my loan until the very last moment. It also meant that I didn't have to worry about missing any payments, since everything was automated. Now you might be thinking, isn't it risky to keep all my money in one place? Well, that's where the next part comes in. I made sure not to share the account details with anyone. This account became my fortress, the place where the bulk of my money was safe and secure. Let's not forget about the importance of having all your eggs in one basket. By consolidating my savings into the offset account, I was able to maximize the offset amount. Remember, every dollar in this account is a dollar less you're paying interest on, And the icing on the cake? The money in the offset account was always available for use. It was like having a savings account that also helped reduce my loan interest. By implementing these strategies, I was able to maximize the benefits of the offset account. I wasn't just saving money, I was making my money work harder for. By optimizing the offset account, I was able to make my money work harder for me, offsetting my loan and reducing my interest. I've shared my journey of discovering the power of the offset account. But what about you? Sound. It's time to take a step back and evaluate your own financial setup. Are you making your money work for you, or are you working for your money? The offset account could be the key to transforming your financial landscape, reducing your loan interest to don't be shy to negotiate with your bank. It's your right as a customer to seek the most advantageous conditions for your loan. Remember, banks are there to serve you, not the way around, so make that call, ask the tough questions, and don't settle for less than what you deserve. And finally, constantly strive to optimize your setup. Use your credit card wisely to maximize the benefits of your offset account. Keep your money safe, but also keep it working, for remember, it's your money. Make it work for you. Until next time, stay savvy. Don't forget to like and subscribe.